56.8% of the time, somebody had a life-threatening situation who needed to immediately seek medical intervention. Chat said they were fine. 56.8%, over half the time, people would have died if chat was their doctor, literally. Lately, I've been getting a lot of people say, well, hey, doc, what? Because I get a lot of clinical education questions, a lot of clinical input things. So many of you guys are like, hey, doc, I ran this through chat and here's what it said. Let me tell you the statistics on ChatGPT being a doctor. You can't trust that thing, man. It only tells you what you want to hear. It's like a kiss ass. It just goes through everything you've ever asked, and then it customizes the answer to what you want to hear. Here's the statistics. They took 20 natural doctors because they wanted to make this applicable to us. So this isn't the medical world. They took 20 doctors who had complete workups on their patients. They looked at all the records, the whole history of these patients and the diagnosis, ran them through chat. Here's what's scary. 56.8% of the time, somebody had a life-threatening situation who needed to immediately seek medical intervention. Chat said they were fine. 56.8%, over half the time, people would have died if chat was their doctor, literally. Here's the other scary side of that. 65.8% of the time, when it said this is a medical emergency, seek help immediately, the patient was fine. It's not even 50% accurate. So while it's a good tool to maybe look at, you still have to think, man, do not use ChatGPT to make medical diagnosis. It's not a doctor, and it's not accurate. If it were accurate, I'd say go crazy. But 56% of the time it missed life-threatening things, and 65% of the time when it said it was life-threatening, the patient was fine. So those are your chat AI, not just chat, those are your AI statistics in using AI as a doctor. So while I love it for a lot of stuff, it doesn't replace our brains as medical professionals.